Hello dear customers, you can see such all these bags are made by TPU waterproof zipper. You see like this one is made by waterproof zipper. Also this one is a waterproof zipper. So we can see many bags. Such this bag also made by TPU waterproof zipper. So we can see from this side also.
买一送一啦！
You see this side, this zipper also is a TPU waterproof zipper. TPU waterproof zipper. So this is our neighbor in the booth, and this is our QQ. You can see those bags are made by our this TPU waterproof zipper. So if you are interested for the TPU waterproof zipper or the PU waterproof zipper, you are welcome to contact us. We are QQ company in Guangzhou. Thank you.